Hi, it's Sherri from Quilting Life, and today I'm here to share with you the November block from my Quilting Life block of the month. And this is one of my favorite blocks in the whole quilt, but it's fast and fun to make. I will be sharing all of the tips and tricks with you today, and then I'll also be back in a week to share with you the December block so you can get those made ahead of time. So let's get started with the November block. Okay, so as I mentioned, this is a really fun block to make. I actually can really see myself making a whole quilt with this block. And it does have the 4 half square triangles. Since there are only 4, I just use the method where you make them just a bit bigger and trim them down. I didn't use triangle paper for these since there were only 4. But I did use the Block Lock Flying Geese ruler for my 4 flying geese sections. And so remember, if you do that, you will have to cut those pieces 1/4 inch bigger than is stated on the pattern. But then with the center square and the 4 rectangles, it gives you some easy pieces to make this go together really quickly. And I really like having the center square match the flying geese. I feel like it gives you that kind of star around the outer edges. So this is just a really fun block to put together. I know you'll enjoy making this one. Okay, so that's it for the November block. I will have the PDF pattern on my blog. There will be a link in the description below. And then remember, as I mentioned earlier, I'll be back next week with the December block so that you can have all the blocks put together before I release the finishing instructions in December. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and thanks so much for stopping by.